Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D Models section and select a mockup for our tutorial. The library contains a great variety of high-quality 3D models, and it is updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a 3D model of a Unipole billboard. Let's select a 3D model from the vast Provisual library. I think this one is amazing. Let's create a new project. This is what the default 3D billboard mockup looks like. Let's start with the part called the banners. In the materials gallery, we select the material that looks best and change the color of this material. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette or enter the color code manually. Like this. Now let's tweak the material itself. Let's turn the model a little and edit the metal firm. Here we will also change the metal material. Great. Now let's change this material color and customize it to match our idea. We should add reflections as well. The next step is to change the color of the material on the other metal firm. Let's do it. Moving on to the ladders to change the color of the material and to adjust the texture as well. Great! Let's zoom in the model and open the rivets layer. This material looks good. Let's edit the color as usual. Let's set up the toe pillar now. We will change the material to a concrete. And we'll change the color as well. Excellent. Now let's set up other parts of the ground. We will change the material to clay and change the color. Then let's change the material settings a little. We have adjusted all the materials of our billboard. Now it's time to add the design, the banner to be more exact. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our banners. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. Let's do the backside now. For convenience, let's turn the model around. Next, we duplicate the design element and place it on the backside of the banner's part. Great. Let's save the design. Let's add a fun background for our Unipole billboard mockup. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have here. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Looks good. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light enhances the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Let's save our project. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And this is the end of our tutorial on creating a Unipole billboard design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.